Hi everyone, this is Kajaravan from Yendra Techno Solution and these are our teammates. Today we are at Sanjay Nagar, Bangalore. For this particular customer, we are installing 3 systems. One is CCTV and another one is IP-based video door phone system. And third thing is Wi-Fi mesh, which is a TP Link product. In camera, we are going to install 8-channel DVR and then 8 number of bullet cameras, 5 megapixel bullet cameras. All these camera systems should be coming under this particular rack. And in VDP, we are using IP-based video doorbell and then 1 number of screen. For Wi-Fi mesh, we are using TP Link 3-pack Deco system. So once after this installation finish, we will show you the. Thank you. Hi friends, this is Wi-Fi mesh Deco system, which is a TP Link brand one. X50, which is powered with the PoE, which comes with a 3 in a pack. And this thing supports Wi-Fi 6 speed. And this thing we can able to install at multi-store buildings, where we can configure with the same SSID, so customer won't get interrupted while moving from one store to another floor. Their interruption won't be there. So we'll get a continuous. Your phone will get connected from one router to another, one mesh to another mesh automatically. You don't need to get switch off. There will be no lagging time. So we can use this system for multi-story buildings, which is a better suggestion.